So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I'm Mesh from TechMesh and today I'm going to show you that how you can check the authenticity of your Pixel device and how you can know the region or the location where your Pixel smartphone was made and how much warranty you have left and everything. So before going to start the video, I would suggest you to please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So let's get started, shall we? So at first, just go to the settings of your smartphone and then scroll all the way and then go to about phone. So in your about phone, here you need to scroll down and here you can see IMEI. So just click on this IMEI here and here you can see the IMEI number of your smartphone. So you need to copy this IMEI number. So you can see there are two IMEI number. So the main thing is I have two SIM slots. So you can use any of them. So don't worry about that. So now let's copy the first IMEI number here and then click on copy. And now you need to go to this address store.google.com. I will also put all the link in the description below. So don't forget to check that out. And after going to this store.google.com, here just select the language and the region and everything. And then here you need to scroll down all the way. And here you can see at the bottom repairs option. So just click on this repair link here. And then here click on get started. And now here they are saying you need to paste the IMEI number. So you can also dial *#06# or you can copy and paste it from the settings of your smartphone as I have shown you earlier. So then just paste it, the IMEI number and then click on here. So here you can see the device info is showing here. So I am currently using the Pixel 7, the Snow White variant, 128 GB and it is unlocked and you can see the IMEI number is matching here and the warranty ends July 16, 2025. So I have bought it around like July 16 of 2023. So here you can see that I can also know my activation date, that when my Pixel device was first activated and how much warranty it has left. So this was the first part of this video and the next part is I will show you that how you can know the variant of your Pixel smartphone. So maybe your smartphone may be a Japan variant or maybe you want the USA variant or maybe you want the international variant. So I will show you that how you can check that information as well. And to check the authenticity, you can also follow another link. I will also put that link in the description below. So the link will be this one. So store.google.com/authenticity or something. So just copy and paste this link. And here you can see the ID section. So here you need to paste the IMEI number of your smartphone. So I have already copied my IMEI number here. So I will paste the IMEI number here. All right. And then press on here. So here you can see the information. So my Pixel 7, it is 128 GB and you can see the serial number and you can also see the intended region. So here you can see this Pixel device was intended for AU, CA, PR, CG, TW or US. So and this is my model number. So here you need to copy your model number from here. And also here you can see the color, the manufacture date and the device status is activated. So now I will show you that how you can find the model number in your Pixel device as well. So just go to your settings and then here go to about phone. So in your about phone go to regulatory labels and then here you can see that there are like the regulatory labels are here and you can see the model number is the same as I have showed on the website. So here if we just match it, you can see that it is exactly matching. Alright, so you need to copy this model number. Just remember the model number and then just go to GSM Arena. So just search for your device name. Let's say I am using Pixel 7. So I am typing Pixel 7 GSM Arena. And then here I will go to their website gsmarena.com. So now here you can see all the information of my device. And here at the bottom here you can see Pixel 7 has mainly two models available here. So here you can see the first model is matching with mine. So let's copy it and then let's search it on our Google. So here you need to go to this website phonemore.com. So just click on this link here and then scroll down. So here you can see this Pixel 7 has mainly these models available. So this is the first model here. So this is mainly intended for Japan. So this is the model number GO3Z5 128GB, and here you can see 256GB. So if your device model is showing this one, then this might be from Japan. And then here you can see the model number here GQML3. So this is mainly intended for US. So here you can see GVU6C. So this is mainly intended for global international variant. So this is how you can check your Pixel device variant. So I am showing you with Pixel 7. So you can follow the tutorial for any Pixel device you have, maybe Pixel 8 or the future Pixel 9 or Pixel 6 or 5, whatever Pixel device you have, you can check it by this method, that from which country or for which country your Pixel device was intended for. Is it a Japan variant or is it a US variant or international variant? You can check by this